Let's see how simple it is to create a new app with Swift. First, I'm going to open up the App Designer. I'm going to create a new application, so I'll head over to the Applications menu and select New App. Next, click on Submit, and it'll take you to the App Design page. Here, I can create a dashboard and access JD Edwards forms, orchestration forms, fusion forms, and custom forms. Let's start by choosing the JD Edwards Find and Browse form to create a new JD Edwards form. Now I'm going to pull up a list of my sales orders. From here, I can select any application I need. I can choose a form and select any version I want. I'm going to click Create, and it will load all the metadata from the underlying JD Edwards application. Here, I have all the metadata available. I can select whichever data I need from this list. Choose from selecting a bunch of fields. Here we can see select description, quality, as well as the unit of measure. Once I've done that, I can go ahead and add a search criteria. So I'm going to put in a dummy search criteria for now. As you can see, I have a lot of options here. I can make it barcode enabled, QR code enabled, OCR enabled, and more. I'm going to keep it simple for now. With just a few clicks, the app is already ready to go. All I need to do now is assign it to a user, and that's what I'll do next. Now I'm going to go here and select this operator just like this. Here's the new Swift app, and just like that, all your security settings are inherited. Now I'm going to go back and run this application by logging in as that user. I'll log in here as the end user, and it will take me straight to the application. If I click on Sales Orders, it will show me all the sales orders in real time from JD Edwards. I can also switch to the card view, and that's how easy it is to create a Swift app. Stay tuned for the next video to learn more.